update on the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed yet another volatile trading session, and it has ended the day with a marginal gain of 4 points over the previous closing. The advance decline ratio was negative today, with 643 advances to 826 declines. This was majorly on the back of the small cap index, which was down close to 0.5% in today's trading session. The mid cap index and the Nifty, the benchmark index, quite flat, and Nifty closed in the positive today. HDFC, Infosys, HCL Tech and Bharti were some of the major losers in trade today from the Nifty 50 pack, while Reliance, ITC, L&T, the metals pack, Tata Steel, Hindalco, Jindal Steel, ONGC were some of the Nifty components which supported the market today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has faced resistance at the 20-day simple moving average today and has failed to cross that, and exactly from there, that level, the Nifty has faced selling pressure once again. 20-day simple moving average, which is placed at 6748, earlier which was acting as a crucial support at every dip, is now acting as a crucial resistance on the way up. So 6748 remains a crucial resistance for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. We are trading above the crucial supports of 6656, which is a swing low, and above the 40-day exponential moving average, which is placed at 6620. So these two levels, that is 6656 and 6620, will be the crucial supports for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the hourly chart of Nifty, we can observe that the Nifty is facing resistance at the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are placed as 6712 and 6733. Now if the Nifty has to continue its momentum on the upside, the initial indication or the first indication we will get is when the Nifty manages to sustain above these crucial levels of 6712 and 6733 on the upside. So in tomorrow's trading session, these levels, that is 6712 and 6733, if are crossed on the upside, then traders can go long. Otherwise, traders are advised to be cautious, as we are witnessing high intraday volatility from the past 3 trading sessions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, we can observe that the action has been narrowing down and it is forming a wedge pattern on the upside. Our sense is that it is forming an ending diagonal pattern, and currently it is in wave D of that pattern, and wave E on the upside is still pending, which means that Bank Nifty will trade with a positive bias and can retest its previous swings high of 13244 on the upside, and above that 13400 odd levels. But for that, it will have to hold on to the crucial support of 20-day simple moving average, which acted as a support even today, and is placed at 12,822 odd levels. Crucial support below that would be 12,550. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. 6656 and 6620 are the crucial supports, while 6712 and 6733 are crucial resistances for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. That's all for the day. Thank you.